So now let's take a look how to start programming with HTML and CSS. It's just a lesson for beginners. And here we can see very simple code. This code consists of style part inside of head and body part with different blocks. We have a title here, and main part. It means that today I will show you how to apply some features as ID or class that will build a whole picture block with different objects like colored boxes. The text that you can give inside, it's up to you. If we use div, we can put inside some objects. It's text or images or whatever you want. If we start to use, we should put it in the special tags with or start with this part and end with this part. The difference between is a slash. It's very important. It depends of good quality code or errors. You avoid errors, and also images. If you put, there is no end tag. Pay attention. As well, we can wrap our text with other type of tags. There are different type of tags for text and so on. And B also you can. It means bold, font family bold. You will have a fat implementation. You will have a fat text. Also here E. Also it's loud. You can use it and manage your styling whatever you want. If you try to invent something, just take a look if it will work, if it works or not. So let's take a look. So we see here what we used. We will try to compare. Here I had nothing, completely without any text. Here I use span. Span that does not influence to any text. Without style, if you don't give any additional styling, it will give you absolutely nothing. Gold, for example, and try to check. You see, it have been changed. So here also pen will not influence on your text, on your object, and without additional styling. B, you see, do it's fat. It gives you fat. E, if you use E tag, it gives you inclination, and here K. It does not exist. and gives you nothing. So you can also use you because this exists, and you will emphasize your object. So um, let's start to talk about our text. Uh, this is called ID. It is styling for all what we have here for full object. It's a box that consists of different objects. Here we manage the size. If you put more, you will get, of course, more. You can use also pixels or AM. It means that you can put here something like that. 12. Let's take a look. You see? If you want to check, just click on element untersuchen. I speak English, but my Windows under the German version. If we check here what we applied, we can open this tree, HTML tree, the same as in document. We see the same in this panel. It's a development panel, and you will check out all what you write down. And also there is a possibility just to manage to change, edit as HTML, add attribute, add elements, but it will be influenced, but for a short period before you restart your page, until you restart your page. What I changed: high 12. We can see. Let's change. You will navigate, put here on this row array, and navigate on the object what you try to change. If you want to try to change this, just put inside, just to click on with this array navigation. So if you want to change, you put here element color, blue. Let's put it blue. So we navigate on the box and try to manage our high. So we will change for 17th. You see how it has been changed. It goes down, less, more, less, more. So we will do 400 pixels. It's also high. 200, also high. 100. Okay. Now we have in the queue all of our objects, and the size also very big. If we manage 300 pixels, it will be exactly precise, perfect fit. So now you know how to use text for this type of programming. And here I want to give you also advice. If you use this cell, it means that it is ID, and you will write down. It's also styling as well as ID and classes, and you will put it as ID main. If you choose class, you put dot, and here change the word as a class. Now you restart your page, and for a while we will change for 7, and here it was in this development panel. As I said, it will be changed, but until you restart your page. I already restarted with all type of with old set of styling, and that's why I have to change again. So now it's a class. You changed also class. I will write down, I will memorize you. Cell means ID, but dot means class. So now border, you know, it's a border for if you try to give the color of the shape of your object, you should use it. If you want to make it as a circle, you should put border radius and gives some percents, and it will give you here some changes for in each size: top left, top right, top but bottom left, bottom right. In the programming, we always put the term for this part of the object. It's called bottom. Bottom 25%. So bottom left radius. So use this, and it will give you more changes, because you said that this size will consist of more changes because of your code. You gave with this string means that you put the same for all corners at your object, but here means that you want to see and make this corner bottom left with more rounds. It must be with rounds. Okay, then display flags. It will give you all objects inside in the queue. If you change it each by one by each by one. Okay, if you put here, if you just comment it, it will be like that. If you change your code, it will be like that. But at the same time, this code, this string will give you, if the place is not enough inside of this box, this using this script, this string, it will gives you not outside. Your object will not goes outside of your main shape, because it's very important. If you put some certain type of object with certain size, type and size, and don't want to go outside, like overflow, you will have to put this phrase. If we change size, let's take a look, your objects goes down. It will not be like here. Более округлая. So let's continue. You see. So next step, you use the same class as we made here, and then you put for next divs also styling as additional um, it means that you write additional div here because you have inside. If you use span, something like p, like here, you should write down here p. But if you want to apply this styling as width and height because of your boxes, you made boxes, yeah? You give sizes for each of them, uh, width and height. If you don't want to write height or width, it will gives you nothing. You will have only like by default something from whatever it is in the HTML, just by default something. But at the same time, if it's like a command. You have here class, and inside you have here inside. Well, this is objects inside of this div. It's a block. It's a block that consists of some objects. For each object, it means that it's also block. This block and this and this and this, etc. That means that if you write this phrase main div, it means that you want to apply this styling for block which consists of this class and this block has divs. It means that all divs will have the same type of styling. It means it would be the same like if you put here these phrases for each of them. If you gives this information to each object, it means that you don't need to write down absolutely this part, this block. But if you want to program right in right direction properly, you should use this. Of course, in case but at the same time, in case you want to change one of your object and gives more to change, just change styling and make width or height more or less, you just put here because you want to change only one or two. But for all of other, you will apply it will work on this styling, will work this code. Let's take a look. You see, art we made more than other, but height also the same height, and all divs, all blocks inside with this styling because we write properly how it should look like. So now you know how to apply different tags, make different styling, apply different features. And so for beginners, just start. Let's see each other next time. Bye.